In front of me is OUKITEL C15 Pro, and let me show you how to update your apps on this device. So first of all, you need to locate and open your Play Store. In my case, it's hidden right here. Then tap on your account icon and mark Manage Apps and Device. And here just go to Updates Available. And as you can see, right here, you've got all updates that can be applied. And for example, if you want to update one particular app, for example, Gmail, just mark Update right next to its icon. Tap on Update and then it will be done. You will be able to observe the progress of this update. But you can also update all apps at once. To do it, just let me pause it. Click on Update All, and then all apps will be updated. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way and it will be done in the background. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly, quickly and easily update apps in your OUKITEL. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.